Hello everybody, it's Bella the Floof, back again in Animal Crossing. I think he's just doing some normal whatever. He's having it in the water, which is evil. Never go into the ocean, filled with nothing but death. Why is it gonna talk about going into the ocean and not about the meteors following behind him? Anyway, hello guys, how's it going? You guys didn't really tell me to play anything else, so I'm just gonna play what I want to play, which is Animal Crossing. See, I gotta get those houses finished, and then we can finally have more villagers. Anyway, I know it's probably tiring to see this all over again, but yeah. But I really like playing Animal Crossing, so I hope you guys like watching me play, watching me struggle. I need apples. Okay. Need wood. Rattan stool. No, that's not what I wanted. You know who would like that? Like, Kid. I had Kid on my other island. I liked Kid. He was really cool. Do I not have an axe? That's okay. I'll fix it. Got it, Captain. Speaking of Captain, you should go watch In Space with Markiplier. And if you haven't watched it, you don't exist. You're not real, okay? You should go watch In Space with Markiplier. He really put a lot of effort and time into it, and I think it's just like a great and really funny thing. I love it. The lore is so intense. Oh, while you're at it, you could watch Heist with Markiplier, stuff like that. You know, I told you guys I wouldn't be doing any shilling for myself, but I never said I wouldn't shill for Mark. I love Mark. I was rewatching Technoblade earlier today. I had a lot of fun. I was watching the Technoblade one, and then I watched him with Philza do the Minecraft Monday. It took a while to get through, but I really enjoyed it. I miss him. He's such a great person. You know, I kind of wanted, what I wanted to do was I wanted to learn how to be better at talking, and I'm really bad at it, obviously, but I wanted to learn how to be better at talking. So I started watching more YouTubers that I wouldn't normally, oh look, the bridge is done, that I wouldn't normally do. And I looked into like Wilbur's it, and then I looked a little bit into just other YouTubers, and I kind of went a little bit everywhere. I don't remember all their names. And I was trying to like look at like what I should be doing to be more entertaining, because I was thinking if anyone could do it, it's probably, you know, the really good people. But then I realized it's kind of like a double-edged sword, because I mean, everyone has their own like charm about them that makes them really fun to watch or be around, and I mean, I can't just copy everyone else. I gotta do stuff for myself. I'm thinking maybe you guys like watching me for me and not because I'm trying to act like anyone else. I don't know. I was worried about not being able to talk good, but my friend, they watched my video and they said that it sounded like a professional. Of course they're being biased, but like, you know, it made me happy that they were like, yeah, this is actually really nice, because, you know, you're being so open and you're just talking, like, really sweetly, like, telling people advice and stuff. This is Sahara. She gives rugs and stuff. I want the mysterious wallpaper. Okay, take my money, I guess. Your pockets are too full for new things. Contain more emptiness. Come talk to me when it contains more emptiness. I forget all of my buttons. Oh, I should stop rocking my feet. I don't. This tree will live here. What do you mean? Trees can do whatever the heck they want to do. They're trees. Okay, so there we are. Hello. I want the really cool space wallpaper. Let's see if we get it. Accept the money payment. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Sure, your eyes will grow wide like a mouth of a yawning beluga whale. Your heart will race when you see it. Is your wallet now content, or shall you make additional purchases? I have, may our wallets be together in the future. Desert Vista. Well, of course you gave me that. Let's go see this vista. I don't remember seeing this wallpaper before, so maybe it'll be nice. Although I kind of like the little slightly gothic look my house is at right now. Slightly gothic. You know, with a gumball machine in the middle of it. Yo. That's not the right button. I'm so tired. Oh. Yep. I feel like I'm in the desert. There you go. In the desert. Probably don't know why I was laughing. Sorry, just the creepy walk forward after the lights turned out made me laugh a little bit. I need more space. Be gone. Okay. What was I saying? Oh, which I guess would also be the advice for today, which is be like, try not to base your entire personality on somebody else. You should just try and be yourself. Although, I would like to include that looking up to somebody and wanting to be like them is not what I'm saying. Is not what I'm saying not to do. Okay, I'm saying don't try to become somebody else so everyone will love you, like just for them. I guess there are certain examples where that's not. That wouldn't work. In certain examples. How am I supposed to say this correctly? I'm just never good with words. It's okay to look up to people and want to be like them, but it's not okay to try and be exactly like them so people will like you, if that makes sense. I'm trying to say be yourself, but it's okay to be inspired. In fact, I'm only half as good as I am right now because I look up to a certain somebody who shall not be named. You know who it is if you know me. Well, I look up to that person. I think you could make a guess on who it is. I already talked about them a lot. Wink, wink. Well, I look up to the certain person who shall remain mysterious. And that's how I try and base my personality on. Oh, I just remembered Wisp gave that to us. I liked Wisp. Wisp was so cute. Man. That's not what the generator's for. Sounds like a generator. Sounds like I'm struggling. That Pokemon video, I edited for like so long, and I edited so hard that the app started lagging, and it just took twice as long to complete because it was lagging. Pain. Oh, but the screaming video, I do love it. When I was editing that video, I was like, this one's really good. It was such a stupid idea. I was poking on my Pokemon. In particular, I was poking on like the Articuno and my Garchomp, whom are my favorites. And I was poking at them, and I was like, they're making this really weird sound if you poke on them too much. And so I started going through them, and I was like, this would be a good video. And so that's how it became. I meant to put that up. You just sit here. Okay. I need to be better at talking. I tried to look into it, but then I was like, I got I don't like the way it's looking at me. You know what? I want to buy it, but not for me. I want to give it to somebody. Yeah, I want to give it to somebody. I don't know who, but I want to give it to them. Look at those tarot cards. You, Tommy, and it, boy. Let's talk turnips. I've never once had a turnip. Like, I never sold them. Yeah, hot. Real hot. So hot. Hottest I am, you would say. sell. I want to sell one singular gold nugget. But thanks for the conversation. Real fun. Gold. 10,000. Hell yes. Thank you. That practically paid for itself. Thanks. I could buy more figures with this. I want my favorite wallpaper. Ooh, I do like that umbrella. Yellow. I do like yellow floors. Oh, it's cheap. Why not? I like the bathroom wallpaper. It's real fun. See it? The bathroom wallpaper. I kind of want to buy these tarot cards while I'm here. I don't know. I don't have the space anyway. Wouldn't it be funny if I had the gothic like wallpaper and then the little yellow heart floor? I would like it very much. I will put this figure next to the fire flower. What did I name the fire flower? Freddy. Freddy the fire flower? Foxy. That's not what I meant. Frederick. Frobo. You're now friends with this guy, okay? What was I doing? Iron. I need iron. Iron. My friends are making fun of me for how I said it. I don't know which one's correct. Stupid question. How do you spell gray? With an A or an E? I personally like to spell it with an A. Because I'm a freak. Like whatever you like, though. Bug. I don't have space. I'm not certainly getting rid of my bug. We have friends. His name is Sam's the Sauce Egg. I remember his name because I'm a great friend. I could put armor on him and he could be like a little warrior Sauce Egg. What do you think? Here he sounds like a warrior. I need to make 3 wreaths. Wait, isn't one wreath 9? What is wrong with you? You need more flowers you're gonna have to destroy? I made a single lily wreath with all those flowers. Bruh. Bucket, right? Bucket. I will get you bucket. That's not it. Guess I'll see you guys in a second when I have bucket. Do I need the wood end table? Well, I guess what else would I need? So I need this. What the fuck? Bruh. That's not nice. Ah, man. I need a nap. Bucket for a table. Bucket. You could. Bucket. I wanted the bucket on the table. There we go. Perfect. Alright, let's go put down this stupid table or stool. We'll be on our merry way. Hello, Sarah Flower. Francis. Fractal. Fart. Fortify. Ferrothorn. Ferocid. Fergulator. Flygon. Farfetched. Furo. No. Oh, what a bad place. Okay. I just need to run real far. Keep running. Don't stop running. They're catching up. That's not good. No. Keep running, Floo. No! So stay behind it. Did you now? Great. What a great night. Everything is fantastic. This is what I get because I look so sad. Look, oh no. Okay, we'll get you some weed and you'll be all good. Oh, I'm sorry, friend. I think I need one more. I'm so sorry. I guess this was a bad place to go and get wood. I should probably go get healed because if I get hit twice, it's really bad for me. Oops. Come along, buddy. Let's go get you some medicine. Do I even have the recipe for it? This is why I don't like wasps. They never stop. They always know where you're at. They'll come after you. They'll kill you. Great. I guess we gotta go bother the one guy. Timmy? Nook? Someone? My face. Help. Help. How's it going? Working hard. Help. What should I do about my face? My face, though. Give me the... I may need to walk back in. Help. Help my face. It's very hurt. I very much need a nap. My face. Give me the cracking recipe, you psycho. I'm good. Clearly, with a face like this, I'm fine. Help when you need. I need you to give me the medicine. Yeah, bye. So mean fish. Maybe Timmy and Tommy have more of a heart than you. I don't remember where I put it. No, wait. What if it's closed? Let me in. Hey, come save my face, please. I'm not looking too good. Help. No. I remember somebody being really nice and being like, oh, you don't look so good. You need some medicine? Perfect. Great. Hold on. Little shits. You know when I realized the last time I was playing Animal Crossing, those two, they're only wearing aprons and nothing else. Like nothing else. Look, butt. Take my weed. See the butt. Can't open it. Thanks for your help, I guess. I'm about to smacking some trees around. Did not learn my lesson. It's not that I didn't learn my lesson, it's that I need 18 freaking wood. You know, a specific type of wood. So it makes sense that you're chopping trees. Because everyone is just so needy. They said they needed fully furnished homes. They didn't say I need to get all this stuff to make them personalized stuff. Whatever. I'm tired. Just ignore my insults. They're not good right now. They didn't say I need to do all this dang work. That's what they didn't say. No one warns me about this. But it's like, they're just like, Floof, you're free, right? It's not fair. Shell. Sally sells shells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked pickled peppers. Like 2 more. Oh, me. No, 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 no. No. I don't like wasps. Wasps are mean. Is this because I was talking all that crap about them the other day? I'm gonna go to bed. I'm not having a good day. So oh, I had a pretty alright day. Francis, Frank, for whatever your name was, I'm having a bad day. What the heck did I name my fire flower? Friend? Friend the fire flower? That sounds about right. Wooden bed. I didn't get enough wood. Great. But I need the iron chair too. Fantastic. Why did I press B? I need to get this done. That way I can have the new villagers tomorrow. Great. I'm having a great time. Everything is great. Everything is wonderful. I don't know why it has to be a specific type of wood. Like, I kind of get it, but at the same time I don't get it, and it's stupid. Like, I know you need like a different strength for every type of wood depending on what you're making, but like, why does it all have to be just wood? Help me out here, man. I need to get a specific type of wood. I can't just be happy with what I have. It's annoying. It was you, right? You wanted the thing, wooden chair. Psychopath. You're more crazy than this one guy who wants iron stuff. Alright, now I need a rock. Should be a rock around here. Oh no, I kind of hope there be a rock over here. Oh, there it is. Oh. Aw, I'm so dumb. I need another rock. Rock. I need a rock. Why aren't there any rocks on this island? It's a rock. There should be a lot of rocks. And the land. Can't you just dig down for some rocks? I need a nap. Things in you. Have mercy on my soul, please. Need something nice. Printed fleece sweater. That's okay, I guess. Rock. I need a rock. Didn't I already take this rock? Here. I already took this rock today. I'm glad. I just need one more. Yeah, perfect. Thank you very much. I was like so confused. Like, why am I searching to the depths of the earth for this dang rock? Isn't this stand? Will I be done after all this nightmare? This is Poppy, I think. Right here at this house, I think this is Poppy's house, because I think he wanted to For like the DLC, I think he wanted the wooden stuff, right? And you want the iron stuff. Exterior. Iron, you need a birdhouse? Oh, how much more wood do you want? Psychopath. Yeah, here's your table, you psycho. Here's your chair. Psycho. Okay. Maybe it's hardwood. I don't have to worry. Or softwood. Just anything but regular wood. Please, no more wood. Screw it. Please, just be normal. Just please be not normal wood. Be like hardwood or softwood. It's softwood, yay. Somewhat, but good enough. You scared the hell out of me, Sahara. Like, my god. Bird. Do I not even have the interior for the second house? Like, isn't that not even, I don't even have that yet. The one on the left is complete. This one. I think this one would be the girl, the pop star one. The zebra. I don't know why I think that. You want a wooden stereo table in the lily wreath. Great. So you want a table, a stereo, and a wreath. But I already gave you the wreath. So you want a table and a stereo. This table and stereo better not have anything to do with normal wood. Please just be softwood. I know it's pale. Wooden block toy. Hey, it's softwood. Wow. Works for me. You know how many trees I just chopped down? Hold on, let me just grab this. I don't like that. I don't like that I couldn't craft the other thing. I don't like that at all. Not even a little bit. Why can I not craft this? Because I need another. Great. Okay. Fantastic. I'll just go get that. It's not like I'm trying to not sleep or anything. Who needs sleep? I mean, let's go get that. Is there even another iron nugget that's standing out? Oh, I hope there is another rock on this island. Oh, how I hope. Rock. I haven't taken from you today, have I? Iron nugget me, please. Yes! I had to set it. Screw the demon. Here, screw you. It's still going. Do you want to be caught? Oh, it's gone. I don't have a chip. Anyway, weird. I got one singular iron nugget. Yes. That's all I need. Let me be done with this nightmare so I can get up in the morning and have some new villagers around here. This game is relaxing. I'm having a great time. I don't like how Sahara is just stalking me. I don't like that one bit. I'm not a fan. Please go away. I miss Flick. Flick, I miss you. Flick is cool. Interior. Take the items. Crazy. Great. Good for you. Ooh, all the stuff and furnishing prep work is done. Great. Fantastic. I can take a nap now. That's all I've ever wanted. I'm so tired. I need to go to bed. I need a nap. And probably, if there's not enough content, sparkle, I'm probably gonna cut it off here, edit it down, and then in the morning, I could show you the next day. Cause I am so great and nice. And that's that. You finish everything. Yep. No. No. Oh yes, fine. Your token. Good. This is a smooch. No smooch. Fence. Surround your home so no one else can come in. Fencing. Yeah, thanks. Good enough. I'm gonna take a nap now. What happened? What'd you do? Why did we do a transition? What did you do? Who have you killed? It's hot in my room. I'm gonna turn off my fan and my air conditioner so I can get good audio, but oh my god, it's f***ing hot. I'm gonna die. Sweet Lord, sweet Satan. Why is it so hot? It's the middle of the goddamn night. Can I take a nap now? Is it nap time? I think it's nap time. I think it's time for a nap. Oh dear sweet Lord. I'll take this. I'll take a potato chip and eat it. I'm sorry. Okay. This doesn't end up being a two-parter where I show you the next day. Then this is gonna be bye-bye. Remember my advice, unless you don't care, so don't. Or do. I don't really matter. I don't know. Or just passing life experience on to one another. No one else feel like going to sleep. That one. Oh, that's the wrong one, but it's cute. It looks like a kitchen. Did I do the wrong one again? Isn't that cute? That's adorable. I think it's time to go. Okay. So I just kisses. Bye bye. I'll see you later.